ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely T28 Transporter comes in a deep black pearlescent paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we can see that it comes with front fog lamps, which also have a cornering function. Along with this, there is also a handsome chrome stripe across the radiator grille, which really sets it apart and gives a nice finish to the all black vehicle. The vehicle comes with body coloured bumpers, mirrors and door handles, and down below it sits on the very stylish 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin spoke star design. The vehicle also features electric and heated mirrors, and taking a look into the rear load area. It comes fully ply lined, useful for protecting all of the cargo. As well as this, there is also some lashing points which provide an additional security level for those heavy or even fragile loads. A full steel black bulkhead separates the cab from the load area. Along with this, the vehicle also comes with deadlocks to the rear and side loading door. The vehicle is fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine and is accompanied with a manual 5-speed gearbox, perfect for every long journey or even those short ones. Towards the rear, the vehicle comes with the barn door style doors, which we will take a look behind shortly. Behind, we can also take another look at that full steel black bulkhead. Along with that, in the back is the jack as well. The barn doors can be operated in a 90 or 180 degree angle. Dotted along the rear bumper are a line of parking sensors, which also display a coloured Park Pilot display system within the cab. If you like what you see so far, then feel free to hit that like button and hit subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Let's take a look at the cab's interior. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, along with a composition colour radio with a 5-inch touchscreen. Samora cloth in titanium black is in a 2-seater bench up front, and the driver's seat also has twin armrests. So that will finish the 360 walk around of this approved used T28 Transporter Highline in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this vehicle, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Stick around, as later on in the video we'll explore the interior in much greater detail. Joining me in the cab, thank you for sticking around. On the driver's door card are the controls for the electronically operated wing mirrors and the 2 front electric windows. The 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel allows the driver to have a hands-on driver experience without ever having to remove their hands from the steering wheel. On the right hand side, the driver can cycle through a range of different menus, and over on the left hand side, the driver has the option to increase and decrease the volume, as well as access some of the assist settings. This vehicle comes with an AUX import into the composition colour radio system, as well as having a wide and varied list of different radio stations. Throughout the rest of the cab's interior is spacious storage areas, ample legroom, and underneath the 2-seater passenger bench, some under-seat storage. The seat again is finished in the lovely Samora cloth in titanium black with some anthracite grey finishings. So that will fully conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline in the short wheelbase. If you like what you've seen in this video and would like to stay up to date with all of our latest stock, then feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.